video, we will compare Cursor and Windsurf. Cursor and Windsurf are two AI-powered code editors designed to enhance developer productivity. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor based on Visual Studio Code designed to enhance developer productivity with AI-driven features. Developers can also perform smart rewrites and integrate existing VS Code extensions seamlessly. However, its AI features heavily depend on internet connectivity. Windsurf is a browser-based AI coding assistant designed to help developers write, debug, and refactor code. AI coding assistant designed to help developers write, debug, and refactor code efficiently. It excels at real-time code improvements, automated documentation, and intelligent error detection. However, it lacks deep integration with local development environment. In my opinion, Cursor is better for local development while Windsurf excels in web-based coding.